Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to the Tether daily time frame chart at the Zondacrypto. So what do we see here is a classical example of a breakout to the upside above this short-term trend line on the daily time frame chart. We are now getting a little bit higher from the lows located at 28,800. So the newest high, local high, was made at 30,132 tethers, and then of course we got this pullback lower, and consolidation. This consolidation took all of the weekend long, Monday, and for the Tuesday it looks like the volatility is not that big, so the consolidation might be continued later on. Of course, there is still a possibility for the market to test this trend line breakout, so the bounce should be expected from the trend line, and then eventually the up movement should be resumed, but in the situation when we will break lower, especially below 28,800, all of this recent price action will be of course invalidated. This will be like a fake breakout, which is of course situation way worse for the bulls than for the bears, because that means that bulls don't have enough momentum, don't have enough power to sustain the breakout above the short-term trend line resistance. So next target would be of course the 100 periods moving average, which is 28,553, and then this very narrow zone of the technical supports located between 28,200 28,344 tethers. In the unlikely event when this support is violated, then of course we should expect another leg to the downside, targeting 200 periods moving average. This moving average is located at the level of 27,223 tethers, and would act as the technical support. Well, the swing low is still 24,900 tethers. So momentum wise, we can see that the market is not ready to break above the level of 50 and sustain this breakout. We did it with the high at 57 points, and then immediately we went towards 48, 47 points. But generally it looks like we are hovering around this level of 50, up and down, up and down, up and down, waiting for some more decisive, let's say, progression in this situation. Because our outlook is still bullish, we can see the 5 ways to the upside here, or during this movement to the upside, and we can see straight on the corrective cycle to the downside towards right now 28,800. And now there was a first attempt to break out higher. Maybe this uptrend will be resumed very soon. Of course, in order to continue to the upside, the market must break, the price must break above the supply zone located between the levels of 30,929 and 31,562. If there is no breakout above this supply zone, then we cannot say that this market is ready for extension to the upside, and it's not ready to continue the bullish trend, the uptrend, the bullish momentum, which was clearly present somewhere back in time in the background. So please stay focused, observe the market reaction on the trend line, maybe observe the market reaction when the price will go towards the highs from the 9th of the August around 30,132. If there's a breakout higher, next target is here, and this is what our scenario expects right now. Thank you very much for watching this short analysis video, and I hope I see you guys next time. The BTC Tether update is coming your way next week, so stay tuned. For now, thank you very much, take care, and bye bye.